Welcome back to Ketelsen RV. Today we're going to go over a couple of different ways to identify the appliances, the parts that you, the DIYer, are doing outside in the garage, in the campground. And to do that, we need to learn how to identify what we're working with. So whether it be awning, whether it be water heater, whether it be furnace, there's going to be different model numbers, there's going to be serial numbers that we use to identify the parts that go to these certain appliances. The day of identifying all this through the VIN number, such as if you go to your local auto parts store, we're not there yet. The RV industry just has not been as forceful as that as the automotive industry. So we rely more on the model and serial number. Like on this water heater here, you know, I see a lot of folks that come in here, they're wanting new sparkers or the board or the element. You can usually find the model and serial number just on the inside when you drop down your door. Awnings, there's a couple of different places that you can find these. You can find them on the arms, such as this one that has a sticker that has all the identifying information right there. Sometimes if it's not there on the arms, you'll find it up here, and you've probably often seen that little sticker on your tube when you roll your awning out. Usually it's over here on the left hand side, because this is the motor side of the awning. You'll see a little sticker here, and that has that pertinent information that we need to identify whether it's an arm, a motor, or a fabric, LED lights, whatever you're looking for there. When it comes to the appliances that go inside, you're going to also find these either inside the box or on the back side, just like the refrigerator in your home. And then come with me inside. With the stoves, you'll either find that just inside the door, or this one will be hiding underneath the grill top. With the fridges, whether it be a 12 volt, a Furrion, Dometic, or Norcold, you're always going to find a sticker on the inside, and some of them, you'll even notice, have a couple that you can just tear off and bring in. That is what's going to help us identify the parts that you're looking for the DIYer. Now moving to the AC, this one might be a little bit harder. Sometimes you can identify the numbers that correspond to which AC you have behind the filter. Just simply pull the filter down and you'll see the tag. On some models, you'll have to unfortunately go up on top of the roof and pull the shroud off that way, and there'll be an identifying sticker there, which isn't a bad thing, because then you get to look at your lap sealants and see what vents are left or are not there. Last week's storms that we had roll through here, Derecho Part 2, 3, and 4, we've got surge protectors. Now, we all saw the fireworks show in the sky over the last week here, so I just want to make sure that whenever you're out there camping and you're sitting in there listening to that rain pitter patter on the roof, I want to make sure that you are safe, whether it be with some of our entry-level surge protectors that are, I call the one and dones, or the resettable ones, the watchdogs that also let you watch that on your cell phone. So even if you're just rolling with some of the simple ones, or you're going with the Cadillac of them, and I do have these available in 30s and 50 amp services, whether you're going to go with the one and done ones or the resettable ones, it's best to be safe than sorry. You cannot buy a board for any of these camper appliances for the cost of one of these. So remember to call Ketelsen RV for all your needs, and remember, like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I'll see you in the next one.